Hey guys, I'm going to be looking at the new 2014 Godzilla Destruction City set. Alright, so here's the toy, and I'm going to go get it. And here's how you open it. First, there's a little tab right here, and hope you can see that. You pull it out, and then once that's out, you just open up this, and then you pull the box out. And so yeah, here's the box full of toys. And yeah, first of all, we got some little planes right here. Some planes are on the ground there. And these planes are very realistic. They're painted black, and like if you make a Godzilla video, like I am, and these could be very useful. Here's the top. It looks very military-ish. And here's the bottom, and you got little missiles on there. Same thing with that other one. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna put those back. And there's also some helicopters. I'll get those. So here are the helicopters. Here's a helicopter. There's another one of these. It's still in the box, and it looks they look the same. So yeah, they've got pretty big propellers, and look closely here. You can see, if I turn it here, you can see there's a little gun right here on the tip of it. And there's a nice back too with the tail, little fins here, and another here. So that's pretty cool. And the cool thing about these helicopters is you can pull the rotors off the helicopter, and then don't worry, I didn't just break my own toy. You can put them back on, and they spin too. So that's pretty cool. Same for the other one. And now we're gonna get on to the buildings. Wait, no, there's still another thing here. I forgot. If I could just get it out. It's gonna take a minute. It's a pain to get that out. Alright, just gonna poke somebody's eye. Anyway, here's the boat. It's like a little navy boat. A little tower here, command center. A big building here at the back. I'm not sure. There it is. It's right there. I'm not sure what that is. Here's the deck. Right here. There's pretty nice modeling and detail on this. And here's the front deck. I really like the way they built this. So yeah, I'm gonna put that back where it was. So now we're gonna get onto the buildings. And there's a two-piece bridge, and this goes together like that. So yeah, let's move back up so you can see that. Yeah, there it is. There's the bridge, and you can take one of the monsters and karate chop and break the bridge in half. So that's pretty cool. Just get those back in there. And that was the bridge. So So it's pretty cool. Now we're gonna get on to the destructible city buildings. I mean, just get them out. Try to get them out. Doing something wrong. Alright. So here's a building piece. It goes right there. And this piece connects to here. And there's a little parking garage there. Right here. Right there. And this goes on here. And this goes here. And there's one building. And so yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's put those back. Guys, sorry for not making a video in a couple months. I was sick and I had to go to meetings and I had to do school, so I didn't really have that much time to make some videos, so sorry about that. So we're gonna get on to more buildings. And here's one part. And just get this part out without poking my eye. It's really tough to get these buildings out. This goes on here. And then there's another piece here. There we go. This piece goes on there, and there's another building. Okay, so I'll put those back. Alright, so now we're gonna get on to the monsters here. Here is the female Muto. Now there's another toy, another Godzilla toy. It should be right here on the back of the packaging. Let me see. Yeah, here it is. You can see it. It's called Pack of Destruction. It comes with another Godzilla, 2 more buildings, another jet plane, and another helicopter. And it comes with the male Muto. So that's pretty cool. Sorry about the camera. Alright, so here's the female now. It's got 2 little legs, and this part's kind of funny. Look, it's got little horse hooves. Little horse feet. Horsey feet. And that's pretty funny. And here's like the head and the long eyes, and there's like a kind of crest here. I'm not sure, but this is how I think his skull goes. There's like, this is his bottom jawbone right here, and there's his top jawbone with his eye sockets all across here, and a big crest goes this way, and there's stretched skin in between that and the back. At least that's how I think that goes in. So yeah, there's 2 long tentacles, sort of tentacle things, with hooks on the end. You can see the hooks. These hooks remind me of colossal squid tentacles, and on the ends of their tentacles they have little spinning hooks, and they can shred stuff really fast. So yeah, that's a monster that can really exist. And there's 2 more little arms right in there. I hope you can see those. My hand's getting in the way, I guess. But anyway, if you saw that, that's pretty cool. And if I zoom in here, see it has a little mouth right there. So that's pretty cool. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Godzilla. And this has to be just about my favorite part of the toy. And it's got pretty long legs here with really stubby toes here. And a long tail. And I like that. The spines like kind of go up, get taller as you go up the back, and these just stop right here at the back of his head. And then there's just like little bumps across the rest of his head. And that's pretty cool. And another thing, there's a good look at his face. Oh, I hope you can see that he has little yellow eyes there. You can see teeth in the mouth. There's his nose. Head on, profile, head on, profile. So that's really cool. And here is arms, and also you can move these legs and these arms, and now you can put them into like a sort of swimming position, like that. Can't do anything about that tail though, but still, if you have a hard time getting it into swim position and you're like, oh no, I just broke the leg off, you don't have to worry about that. They just snap back into the toy with a little bit of force, a little bit of strength to get that back in. And it's the same thing with the arms. So yeah, just don't play with this outside, because I brought it outside once, and yeah, the leg came off, and we spent a whole, I'm not kidding, we spent a whole day looking for that leg in the yard. So don't bring these toys outside. So yeah, that was a good look at the 2014 Godzilla Destruction City. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more videos, please like and subscribe to Red Balloon Co. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Oh. Anyway, guys, I just want to point out that if you missed the Godzilla movie back in May 16th, you can still see it, and it is now playing. Like, if you live in Park Forest or something, you can go over to Marcus Theaters and watch it every day. They're now playing it every day all over the world. So yeah, if you missed the movie, you can go watch it right now, and all over the world, basically wherever you are watching this video, there's probably a theater nearby, and they're playing it all over the world. So yeah, I will see you for real this time in another video. Bye.